Hey y'all, I just wanted to show my courtyard out here. I just wanted to show some of the courtyard. I'm just so proud of the courtyard. Been doing a little bit of work out here, me and the mother. Me and the mother been doing a little bit of work out here. Okay, I've been doing all the work. My mother ain't been doing nothing. All my mother been doing is complaining. Well, why is this over here? Well, I would put this here. Well, why'd you put, you know what you know how it goes. But listen, I've been doing a lot of work up out here. So I'm gonna show you around a little bit. I'm gonna show you around my courtyard. So happy. So happy. So look. Oh, there's a Halloween figure. So we've installed some fencing in the courtyard. Installed some fencing. There's our jungle wall. We love our jungle wall. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? I'm so happy. I'm really inspired because of our most recent addition. Look at it. Oh, the fence? No, it's the lighting. It was so dark over here, y'all. It was so dark. But my brother-in-law came over and installed two lights. Look at it. Oh, look at the lights. I mean, look how bright it is over here. Look at it. It's almost like daylight. It's almost like daylight. It looks like a TV set. Doesn't it? It looks like a Hollywood studio set. The lighting. It's like, is it daylight? I don't know. Okay, so we've got this. We're gonna come around here to the other section. And look, oh, there's more. There's another light and another light. There's Scooter Blue. Scooter Blue had to sit over there in the darkness. Like anybody could have come through and just slid her on out in the middle of the night. I don't have to worry about that anymore. I don't have to worry about that. Look, light going all the way out. Anyway, I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. And there's a little fountain. Got her little trinkles. The little kitties are happy. So there you go. There's our little courtyard. Till next time, loves, hugs, kisses. Bye-bye.